Carrie Obedzinski with Times Microwave Systems and Amphenol Company, and you're watching Real Times, our vlog where we talk about industry trends, new products, and everything coax. Today we have Jerico Sabas from Micro-Coax. Welcome, Jerico.
Hey, thanks for having me, Carrie. Very happy to be here.
So it's your first time on Real Times.
Yes, it is.
And we're going to talk about a specific product, which is your ARACON line.
Yeah.
And where's it made? And what is it?
Yeah, well, this is probably a pretty unique Real Times, right? Because we're not talking about coax cable.
We're not. That is true.
So here's what it is. So
it's an accessory to coax cable, right?
Yeah, it's a material.
Okay.
So, and here, you can touch this. It's basically a yarn. It's made in our Pottstown, PA facility.
All right.
We have our plating line
there. So made in the USA.
It is made in the USA. So this product has about 40 years of heritage now.
Okay.
It's based on DuPont Kevlar fiber, and it is plated with either nickel or silver, depending on the applications. And here you go. It feels like a fiber, but it gives you the conductivity of a metal, right? So what are the applications? They're endless. Really.
Yeah, that's going to be my question is, where do you use it then, or why would you use it?
Yeah.
I guess that's two questions.
The reason Micro-Coax sells this, right? So Micro-Coax is a cable company. Mm-hmm. Micro-Coax puts this under spaceflight cable, because it reduces weight, adds flexibility. It helps with durability. Its heritage comes from Micro-Coax spaceflight cable.
Okay.
So we use it as our braid material, and that gives you.
But that doesn't look braid to me.
That doesn't look like braid. Yes. So, well, that's the thing. So you can buy it in yarns.
Okay.
In the yarn form.
Why would somebody buy it in yarn form?
Oh, because you braided yourself into a braid. So. This is the form that we use for our braiders, right?
Okay.
And you can buy it in a variety of yarn bobbins, but there's also the finished product form, which is our ARACON shield.
Okay.
Our EMI shield. So here's this one's easier.
No, that
a lot bigger, right? So it's a lot easier to deal with. So what you do is you braid it into a sock. That's the commonly known term in the industry. It's a braided EMI sock, EMI shield. And you use it to protect a variety of cables on your airframe or on your aircraft, right? So one of our key applications, the customer shields about a mile of cable on each aircraft.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And why do they do that? Because they have a composite body, and this helps protect all those wires, all those cables, variety of signal transmissions, right? RF, digital, power lines from lightning strike, from EMI interference between each other. And the big difference between this and your mill standard product, which is copper, silver plated or nickel plated copper, is the weight. So I don't have.
So where weight is a big factor, this is key.
So it gives you the same electrical characteristics, and even better. It does better at shielding than you would get from a typical metal sock, but you do it at a 60 to 80% weight savings.
How does this product compare to other products in the industry?
Yep. So the run-of-the-mill braid product out there is usually like a silver-plated or a nickel-plated copper braid, right? You can try this one right there.
All right.
So that's what majority of applications use. But try this one as well. So this product is a lot lighter. It's a lot more flexible, right? Like it moves, it flows a lot easier with the cable that you're shielding with it. And the other thing is here, right? Like when you flex this one, this wants to take a form. It wants to stay a certain way. Like I can't do that with a fabric, right? Like the fabric just flows.
It doesn't remember what you did to it.
So yeah, it's not going to hurt your lighter cables in there with the memory that you have on this copper product. And you get all this with even better electrical performance, right? Because these are finer threads that do better EMI shielding, better EMI coverage. So it's just a superior product.
Is it only used for coax applications, or can you use it for other applications?
No, all kinds of wire and cable is the majority of our applications. Like we've seen a lot of other potential applications, but the majority of what we sell it for, what we offer it to our customers for, is wire and cable, be it digital, power lines, coax. Sometimes for multi-cable harnesses. So that's why you have a range of sizes, right? So you can go as small as, what is this, like 1/8 of an inch or less than that.
That's actually a sock?
That is a sock.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Okay.
And all the way up to 2 inches. So you can do a little single element wire.
And 2
You can
inches
do
would be the biggest?
Yeah, that's the largest size on our standard offering, but
Okay.
we can work with our customers on special designs. Like
Okay.
if you can see here, there's a slight variation in color
Right.
between this sock and this sock. That's because this one's 100% ARACON, a lot lighter weight. This one has 25% copper braid in it, so you still get the weight savings, but it also gives you slightly higher DC resistance, and that allows you to meet the requirements for lightning strike.
It's customizable for the customer and their
Yeah,
application.
yeah,
So better understanding what the customer needs, we can actually help them,
yeah,
right?
yep. And the reason we have silver options and nickel options, so if you're using it as Micro-Coax does on a cable where you're soldering connectors to it, you need a silver finish so that you're able to solder it.
Oh,
Right.
okay.
So there's a wide variety of uses. We can't even fathom all of them, right, for this type of product.
So there's customizable, sorry, options, but there's also options that are readily available, right? So
Yes.
how do you buy this?
So I would first of all direct you to our new website, microcoax.com. That gives you links to our distributors. It's readily available at distribution, or you can click on the contact us link, and
Okay.
that will connect us with one of us, with an applications engineer or a product manager who will show you all the options that we have or work with you on custom designs.
So
Weight is king, right?
lots of applications, lots of uses. So if you are interested in learning more about the product, please reach out to Jericho at the new Micro-Coax website at microcoax.com. And thank you, Jericho, for being here at Real Times. Hope you come back and come back with some new applications. It'd be really great to see it actually being used in specific applications and on different harnesses and cables.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching Real Times. Please like, subscribe, share, follow, all of the above. And until next time, stay real.